What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this job. The guys were here over the weekend stripping some of the forms. They're finishing up that back end over there now. I will walk around and show you that in a second, but I'm in our loader now because my father is on his way here. I think he just drove by. I think he's making a U-turn with our Freightliner, and he's got a couple things on it that we got to pull off. So I'm grabbing the forks real quick. What's up? Locked, let's see. Yep. Alright, let's go get this truck unloaded. Of course, it rained here quite a bit over the weekend, so it became a little muddy. Alright guys, I got the truck unloaded. I got the dumpster in here so we can start loading all this garbage from the forms in here. We have a ton of garbage all over the place here, but I'll show you around real quick. You can pretty much see the footing all the way over there. We'll walk around this whole thing real quick. They got all of this stripped on Saturday, which is all the stuff that you see laying around the outside. Completely stripped. And then they got to about here, and this is where they started this morning. We just went through and chalked all the lines for the walls. Look. Gotta keep on going, getting these forms out down here. And then I talked about this in the last video. They are leaving the forms from here all the way around to there until this guy is done blasting. You can see he started drilling. So I'm not exactly sure when he's doing the actual blasting, but he's getting ready. So hopefully none of this gets affected with that. And then we got to come right here, strip these forms on this lower section, and this is all stripped already. But I'm about to run and grab breakfast for the guys, and then we will start getting some of these forms. My dad ran these trailers here yesterday, got all of our forms, well, not all of them, but a lot of them here. We have one trailer here, the other trailer over there, but that's what's on the schedule for today. All right guys, we are just finishing up lunch. I haven't recorded anything else since I think breakfast, but we got a couple sections of forms in here all the way down here across these steps. We're gonna have to block out these little spaces where the steps are, but we're moving right along here. Our goal is to get from that step there all the way around, formed all the way around the back there. Actually, this section here we're forming with plywood, and we're going to brace it up nice, that way it doesn't blow out on us while we pour it. But this whole upper section here all the way to this step is going to be all plywood. And then our goal is to get forms, not today, it's not going to happen, it's already about 2 o'clock, but we want to get forms all the way to this step here, and then all of that is about 9.8 yards of concrete. So we could get one truck and pour this whole section, and then worry about forming after that. Next, we can pour these walls in sections, that's no issue, plus the rebar will have it all tied together anyway. But there's, you can start to see it here, there's rebar going 2 rows across everywhere here. We got one here, but you can see it down in here, one lower row, one upper row across this whole thing, and it goes all the way down. Believe they put it in, no, they got to add one piece in down here. They have an upper one here, so it stops right here right now, but they got to continue it over to that step. The driller just got back here. He had an issue with his machine, so he's working on that. He had to go get a part, so hopefully he can get that drilled, we can get that blasted. But after we're done with all these forms, we'll move around to this section here and try and get another 10 yards wherever that ends us, and we'll pour that. It might be somewhere around this corner, because this whole section is all 4-foot walls, where each step the walls obviously get about 1 foot shorter. So we got quite a bit of work here, and we also have all this garbage to clean up, which I'm not sure if that's going to happen today, but it is getting dark out and there's a chance of rain, so hopefully it misses us and we don't get rained out. But it looks like we might get hit with something here. All right, guys, I don't know how well you can hear me, but he got his machine up and running again, and that thing is super loud. I was gonna try and record some stuff here. I don't know if this is even gonna pick up my voice, but I'm gonna let him do his thing, and then I will catch back up with you guys probably at the end of the day, because he's gonna keep going. Oh, now we got some peace and quiet. Not for long. But I'm gonna let him do his thing and get all his drilling done, and then I will see you guys at the end of the day.